I'm going to be using these waveformers to turn my afro into waves with no heat. I bought a giant pack of waveformers off of Amazon. I had to buy 2 of these packs because when I tried to do this the first time, I didn't have enough. So I think I have more than enough now. And I had to make sure I got the right length as well. I had to get the 22-inch waveformers, I believe. They're linked in my Amazon storefront for anyone who's interested, and for anyone who wanted to use the exact ones I'm using in the video. The only things that I'll really be needing for this is this miche mousse, some warm water, some ponytails and clips, however many I need, to be honest, I don't know, and some kind of detangling brush. I'm just gonna section off my hair into 6 parts and quickly show you how I apply these. I finally have all the waveformers put in my head. It took me about an hour and some change, I'd say an hour and a half, maybe closer to 2 hours to put them in. It probably would have taken only about an hour-ish if I had not, you know, goofed around and done other stuff while I was doing this. By the way, let me know in the comments if you guys would ever try something like this or you wouldn't even think to do it. So the way that these feel on my head right now, it feels kind of heavy, not that heavy. It does feel like if you put these in the wrong way, it could tug on a couple of strands of your hair wherever you put it on. When I did try to move my hair back, it did tug a little bit in the back, but it's not a super uncomfortable feeling. I wouldn't even dream to sleep in these. Because the mesh on the waveformers are so breathable, it actually dries pretty fast, faster than like a flexi rod set or a perm rod set. So that is the plus with these. I used to think heat damage was just a part of drying hair until I learned the science behind it. Traditional dryers rely on heat and wind, which can damage hair. After researching, I switched to Lafen's powerful high-speed hair dryer that uses airflow instead of heat. They also have a diffuser and nozzle attachment. The nozzle is for smooth hair and the diffuser is for curly hair. Also for the temperature cycles, it's red for hot, yellow for warm, blue for cool, and purple for the hot-cold cycle. It's been a game changer for my hair's health and for my hair's drying time. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. I'm gonna be comparing my normal hair dryer with the Lafen hair dryer and seeing which one dries my hair the fastest. I timed it and it was about 4 minutes for my normal hair dryer and only about 3 minutes for the Lafen hair dryer. I made sure the comparisons were completely fair by keeping my hair wet throughout the whole process. And actually in the middle of me drying my hair with my normal hair dryer, my power went out, which clearly startled me because it was using so much energy. After I got it all together, I began on the neck side of my hair. The other great thing about this hair dryer is that it barely makes any noise. So if you hate loud blow dryers that barely dry your hair, I highly recommend checking out the Lafen high-speed hair dryer. Okay, I think that these are finally fully dry. I feel like it could use another hour, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fall asleep before that. So I'm just gonna take it out now. The first video that I ever did with these on my YouTube shorts, I just pulled them out. According to some of the comments, you're not supposed to do, you should pinch the top of this thing so that it comes out like that and then pull out. So I'm gonna be doing that because if you can't tell, I do have some breakage up here, which I've been really hating lately and I'm trying to grow out right now. So to avoid that, I'm gonna be doing what the comments said. I feel like that also could be drier, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. It's like dry, but I feel like it could be drier. I'm gonna blow dry a little bit longer. think that looks really good. I'm gonna be very careful when touching the roots of these. I think I'm just gonna let this sit and dry. The roots are a little bit more wet, so I'm gonna use the blow dryer on low speed and warm heat to dry my roots really quickly before they puff up. On this side, it very clearly is not fully dry. I could tell because it was started frizzing up really quickly. Okay. Wait, this looks, why does each side look much different? And this is precisely why I say you need to let the sides fully dry. I'm not even gonna lie, nothing's funny right now, but it kind of is funny. Well, anyways, this is a style that you can recover from, but obviously it would look way better if I let it fully dry. But you can't say that it failed because it really did keep the shape of the waveformers, just user error. I didn't let it dry, so that's why it looks like this. Yeah, this is my fault. This is not the product's fault. Like, this side looks good. This side, it became not good. I'd say the only like wonky part about this, or about this side, is this front piece that I guess I didn't let fully dry, even though I've been drying for literally 30 minutes. Let me show you the back. Not exactly what I wanted. It's cool though, because I did do this on about a week and a half old hair. So I wouldn't say that messed with the result any. It really was just the drying time, because this side looks just fine. So key tip here, let it dry 100%. I'll link the YouTube short where I did the waveformers for the first time in a long time technically, to show you what the real results are supposed to look like. But maybe another time I'll try this and show you how to successfully do it on a long form video and not a shorts video. But I'm not gonna bother putting oil and stuff into this, just because it kind of is already separated because of the slight wetness with it. So this is the final result. If you're one of the few that reached the end, don't forget to like the video. And in the description box below, there is a link to my Substack newsletter if you ever wanted to read some hair related blog posts or other video content from me. Or you can have a chance to chat with me directly, whether you're a free subscriber or a paid subscriber. But yeah, that's it.